everyone, this is Pooja Barathor. Again, this is Social Science Class 6, Chapter number 6, Beginning of Settled Life. Because previously we have already learned about the how the early human beings, okay, the beginning of human life. We have learned about that. So after the beginning of human life to settled life. So in this chapter we will learn about the beginning of settled life. Okay. So this many of these features, many of the thing about this chapter is described through story like Gomtu and his family and Jama and her family. Okay. According to these two people, ये दोनों की फैमिलीज और उस दोनों के बारे में काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें ये चैप्टर में बताई गई है एंड थ्रू दैट दे हैव शेयर मेनी थिंग्स अबाउट द सेटल्ड लाइफ. ओके, सो वन ब्यूटीफुल मॉर्निंग अराउंड 2000 years ago, beautiful morning around 2000 years ago, young Gomtu was preparing to go for hunting with his tribe. He was very enthusiastic and had prepared a weapon by tying up a sharp stone to a stick. His good companion, Golu, the dog, was also going with him, so he felt safe and secure. Okay, so this thing they have described like in story base, like Gomtu जो है one morning 2000 years ago पहले they have prepared टू गो फॉर हंटिंग. वो लोग हंटिंग के लिए जा रहे थे एंड उसके साथ वो अपना जो टेम एनिमल्स होते जैसे कि उसका गुड कंपेनियन जैसे कि गोलू है, ठीक है. ही ऑल्सो टेक गोलू विथ हिम टू बी सेफ एंड सिक्योर. खुद को सेफ और सिक्योर रखने के लिए वो अपने पास जो है डॉग जैसे एनिमल्स भी रखते थे. ओके, टू हंट एनिमल्स को हंट करने के लिए, टू हंट एनिमल्स दे ऑल्सो प्रिपेयर वेपन्स लाइक दे हैव टाइड स्टोन विद द वुड स्टिक के साथ स्टोन को टाई करके दे हैव मेड वेपन टू हंट फॉर एनिमल. सो हियर दिस थिंग इज मेंशन्ड. गोमतू's ट्राइब मतलब क्या होता है? देयर वर ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल लिविंग टुगेदर, जैसे इन अ forest, जैसे आदिवासी. ओके, so we can say that आदिवासी like those group of people living together in a forest, okay, in a primitive state. So this is called tribe. Gomtu's tribe had a wander every day for hunting. They did not have a permanent home. यानी कि क्या जो गोमतू and her family है, this to search of food. Okay, to searching food is their work, their daily work. वो हर दिन ये काम करने जाते थे. They were every day they wander for hunt animal. They wander for hunting animal, and they did not have the permanent home as the hunter gatherer, like those who hunt animals and wander in search of food. They don't have any particular place to stay there. Okay, so जो सेम वे जो गोमतू है उसके जो कंपेनियन, उसके जो साथी है, एवरी डे वो एवरी डे दे गो फॉर हंटिंग एनिमल्स. फूड सर्च करने के लिए हर रोज जाते थे. बिकॉज दे डोंट हैव एनी पर्टिकुलर प्लेस. उसका कोई एक पर्टिकुलर होम था नहीं. देयर रेसिडेंस चेंज विद द चेंज इन सीजन. उसका जो रेसिडेंस है इट चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू द सीजन. जैसे ही सीजन चेंज होती है, देयर प्लेस ऑफ देयर रेसिडेंस ऑल्सो चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू द सीजन. दे स्टेड इन caves, cooked the meal of animals on fire and ate it together. Now this is different from the early human beings. Now early human beings they don't eat वो ऐसे ही जैसे ही हंट करते थे एनिमल, कच्चा मांस उसको रो ही खाते थे. राइट, दे ईट इट रो, ते उसको पकाते नहीं थे. बट दिस इज द बिगिनिंग ऑफ सेटल्ड लाइफ. तो नाउ दे आर लिविंग इन अ केव. वो केव में रहते थे एंड दे कुक देयर फूड ऑन फायर में अपना कुक जो है दे ऑल्सो कुक देयर फूड ऑन फायर. और सभी लोग एक साथ मिलके खाते, जस्ट लाइक अ फैमिली. They protected themselves from wild animal with the help of fire. Now they use fire not only to cook their food, but there are other use of fire also that they have learned to use. जैसे कि fire है, they also use to cook their food. They also use fire to scare away wild animals and to protect themselves. And they also use fire to keep themselves warm in such seasons, in such cold season, to make themselves warm. They also use fire. Okay, so and they don't जो people, the primitive people that living in this settled life, वो सिर्फ animals को hunt करके animals ही नहीं खाते थे, but they also eat fruits, vegetable, roots, leaf, whatever they have found they eat. Okay, but the main purpose of the wandering is their food, the search of food. That the search of food is the main reason of wandering of that people. So here on their way to the hunt, Gomathu. It's this story about the Gomathu. Gomathu, their way to hunt, they heard the sound of an animal from one of the bushes. They threw a big stone at the bush, which severely wounded the animal. The beast tried to run away, but the entire group attacked and killed it. Now luckily it was a big animal, the entire group could have a feast. Okay, उसमें क्या होता था कि when they how they hunt animals. Okay, जैसे ही they go in a search of food, जैसे ही वो food search करने के लिए जाते हैं, तो वहाँ पर गोमतू को आवाज़ आई bushes में, तो उसको श्योर होगी कि वहाँ पर देर आर सम काइंड ऑफ एनिमल, वहाँ कोई तो एनिमल है. तो उसने क्या किया, अपना जो वेपन है दैट दे हैव मेड स्पेशली फॉर द हंटिंग, दे थ्रू देम इट वेरी फोर्सफुली, एंड जो ये दैट वेपन सीवियरली उस एनिमल के अंदर चला गया. और दैट एनिमल्स, ओके, जिसको हंट किया था, दे ट्राई टू एस्केप फ्रॉम देम, वो वहाँ से भागने की ट्राई करा. बट नाउ दे ऑल वर्क टुगेदर. वो सभी जितने भी ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल जो थे, दे वर वेंट फॉर सर्च फॉर फूड, दे हंट फॉर एनिमल, वो सभी एक साथ उनको पकड़ते थे. और लकीली दैट एनिमल वाज बिग, तो उसकी जो बिग एनिमल है तो उसकी वजह से दे ऑल ग्रुप मेंबर्स को इजीली फूड मिल जाएगा. Right? So this is the story about Gomathu and his family. That how that Gomathu and his family 2000 years ago, okay, they lived together. They every day they went to search. Every day they wandered in a search of food. They hunt animal in a group. They also take their tame animals with them to make themselves safe and secure. They make tools like weapons with the stone and wood to hunt animals. Okay, and they live in a cave. They cook their food on fire. Okay, and fire is used in a different way, like not only to cook their food but also to scare away wild animals and to protect themselves, and also to keep themselves warm from the different such kind of season. Now because they are wandered in search of food, the reason of wandering, the main reason of wandering is just food. Food ही उसका main reason है wandering, right? तो जैसे ही जो hunting भी they were together, एक साथ मिलके ही hunt करते हैं, मिलके, और they live in a cave together. But उसकी जो place है, they live in a cave, but there are not such a particular home of that group of people. उन लोगों का कोई particular place नहीं है, because according to the season they change their place also. Okay, so these are some things they have shared through the story of Gomathu and his family. Same way, another story is also there, Jama and her family. Okay, Jama and her family. So now thousands of years later, now this is a story about the 12,000 years ago, Gomathu ki. But उसके बाद 1000 years later, what happened? One morning, in a small village, Joma was not Jama, it's a Joma. Sorry, Jama नहीं है, Joma है. The Joma Joma was sitting outside her hut. Thousand of years later, one morning in a small village, Joma was sitting outside her hut. She made fire using wood for warming the food. Okay? Now 1000 years के बाद जामा है वो क्या करती थी? They were living in a small village और वहाँ पर on fire they cooking their food. अपना जो food है वो cook कर रही थी. It was a pleasant morning. Now what is pleasant? Pleasant मतलब not that extremely cold, not extremely hot. It's pleasant, like normal. So it was a pleasant morning, and the entire village was very active. The women were milking cow and goat in the courtyard. जहाँ पर animals रहते हैं. Some men were sharpening their agricultural tools like sickles, as they would soon need them to cut the crops in the field. Some were making clay pots and baking them in the sun. Joma's brother Daku was busy driving away the birds which came to eat the ripe crops. Some people were taking the goats to graze. Okay. Now here, पहले क्या था? If we talk about the Gomtu and his family's lifestyle, so they were hunter-gatherers. They wander in the search of food. But here the situation is different. Joma and her family are living in a settled life. Okay, Joma was cooking their food on a fire. Now, the thing is that it was a pleasant morning and entire village was very active. यानी कि सुबह होते ही village, every people of the village starting doing their work. So, जिसमें there are some kind of work that particularly women do. There are some kind of work that particularly men do. जैसे कि women do milking the cow, यानी कि cow से milk लेना, okay? Cow और goat दोनों से milk लेना from the courtyard. Men जो है they were sharpening their tools that they use for as a tool to cut their crops in a farm. So basically from that we have got to know that they were also started farming. Okay. Now not only that, but the Joma's brother Daku also helped in the family member in farming. How? तो जैसे कि आपको पता है कि फार्मिंग में जो क्रॉप्स ग्रो होते हैं तो उस बर्ड्स और वो उसको खाने के लिए आते हैं, राइट? तो इट इज़ क्या होगा? लॉस्ट होगा, बर्ड जो क्रॉप्स है वो खराब कर देंगे खा के. तो जो डाकू है वो सभी बर्ड्स को क्या करता था? भगाता था. ओके. एंड टू स्टोर द ग्रेन, वॉट एवर द ग्रेन्स दे हैव प्रोड्यूस फ्रॉम द फार्मिंग. ओके. तो to store them for in a future use, they were also make clay pots, and the clay pots were baked in sunlight में वो bake भी करते थे. ठीक है. and they store their grains in that pots. Okay. so you can see that there is a huge difference between the Gomtu and her family and the Joma and her family. Joma's hut was the hub of all activities of the tribe. Joma's hut was the hub of all the activities of the tribe because her father was a leader of the village. A lady called Joma and took her along to watch the cattle. Joma enjoyed swimming in the river while the other took care of the cattle. Some women prepared big clay pot to store grains while others were busy weaving baskets. Thus, the entire tribe was busy preparing for the new crop. Okay, so this is about that कि जोमा का जो house है it is full of the जो भी जैसे ट्राइब की जितनी भी एक्टिविटीज़ होती है सभी एक्टिविटीज़ है वो वहाँ पे उसके इक्विपमेंट्स और टूल्स थे उसके घर में. बिकॉज जो जोमा's फादर वॉज अ लीडर ऑफ दैट विलेज. जोमा के जो फादर है ही वॉज अ लीडर ऑफ दैट विलेज. वो उन विलेज के लीडर थे. ओके. सो जैसे कि जोमा एंड लेडीज जो है जोमा एंड टुक अलोंग टू वॉच द कैटल, यानी कि उसके जो कैटल्स होते हैं उसको धोने के लिए वो रिवर के पास जाते थे. तो जोमा जो है दे आर एंजॉयिंग स्विमिंग्स एंड अदर वो ऑल्सो टेक केयर ऑफ द कैटल. ओके. Some जैसे there are some women who also make clay pots, but there are some women who will make वेविंग बास्केट्स. जो बास्केट्स है उसमें भी दे वर स्टोर सम काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स लाइक फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल्स. तो उसके लिए जो बास्केट बनाते थे, तो सम लेडीज सम वुमेन वर बिजी इन दिस काइंड ऑफ वर्क एंड सम वुमेन वर बिजी इन वेविंग बास्केट्स. ओके, सो दैट.
आभार.